Convert black and white array into an image in Python? I have an array of 50 by 50 elements of which each is either true or false. This represents a 50 by 50 black and white image. I can't convert this into image? I've tried countless different functions and none of them work. This one gives me, cannot handle this data type. I've seen that pill has some functions but they only convert a list of RGB pixels and I have a simple black and white array without the other channels.
First you should make your array 50 by 50 instead of a 1D array. Then, to get a standard 8-bit image, you should use an unsigned 8-bit integer type. But you don't want the trues to be 1, you want them to be 255. Finally, you can convert to a pill image. I do it all at once like this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.